Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be taking you through the Emercoin. New opportunities with new language. Our website is available in German and Spanish now. German blockchain. Get Emercoins, tech solutions, upcoming events, and community. Emercoin blockchain. Flexibility, reliability, and security. Still don't have Emercoins? You can click this link to download wallet. Distributed blockchain services for businesses and personal use. Companies using Emercoin's technology: Coca-Cola, Alloys, Bitfury, Microsoft, Risk Comparative, Bezile, and much more. Media about us: Reuters, Newsweek, Euronews, and Forbes. Roadmap. This is the latest news. You can click this button to read all. You can enter your email to subscribe for our news and events. Meet the Emercoin team. Our advisors. So as you know, I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go to the Emercoin's website to find more information.